All right. Hi guys, Liz with Wet Paint here. I am recording from my home studio in Lower Town, St. Paul, and I'm excited. I'm going to be making some creative content for you and some projects we can do together. But right now I will give you a tour of my home studio. This is one of my work areas and some projects I have going on. I've been using this time to try and get caught up on some things I've wanted to work on. That is an English breakfast that my fiance Dan made, and I'm going to paint that. We do a lot of food art collaborations. That's him now making lunch, walking away. That's our dog Noodles. She'll also be helping. So this is one work area. This is where I do a lot of mono printing and paper cutting, some bigger projects. Like I said, I've just been getting caught up on some things sitting around. I've done some home decor. I've done a couple album art projects that I've been working on for about a year, because sometimes that's how it goes. This is a birthday present for Paige from Wet Paint. She already knows, so I can show that. I'm gonna do some mixed media pages on some Stonehenge white sketch paper. We'll do collages, watercolors, all kinds of stuff in there. This is my mono printing stash of Amsterdam Acrylic. I really like it. It's vibrant, it's inexpensive, and you get a ton of it so you can go through it and not feel bad. Here's some of my little bottles of Americana. I've got my jelly plates and my plexiglass in here. My rollers. It's really a fun process to do with all ages. So we'll make a lot of collage paper and then do projects with that paper after it's made. I'm gonna do some embroidery stuff with you guys. This is my embroidery stash. Well, some of it. I've got lots of other hoops stored around. Here are some of my art books that I keep out for inspiration. Kind of just my fun little shelfie. Brushes, more brushes, some mail art from one of my favorite customers. Keeping everybody in a good mood these days. We're definitely gonna do mail art projects together. Here's my Posca markers. We're gonna do those with some mixed media. Gel pens. I carve a lot of stamps, as you may know if you've taken a class with me. We'll probably do that. These are all filled with stamps that I've carved myself. This sort of drawing stuff. So this is my kind of utility work shelf. Lots of brushes. These are all my watercolor sets. Most of them, I have a lot. Watercolor is probably my main medium, as I made it in illustration. So I use that a lot. It's really quick. You can use it in a sketchbook. You can use it on top of other things. Lots of acrylic. I love the fluids. I use those for my underpaintings, and then I'll use those for details on top later. FW inks. Let's see. I love the Holbein acrylic gouache. I've got a couple boxes of this stuff. We'll definitely do a fun project with that. I have some ideas for you there. If you know me, you know I've got many ideas. Okay, here's my regular tubed acrylic. Down here I have my little stash of Neocolor crayons. I use these in mixed media too. Get some of these and get that holder. That thing is fun. And it also holds the museum watercolor pencils from Grand Dash. This is my second work area where I usually will do stuff early in the morning before it gets too sunny out here. This is the new Daniel Smith watercolor grid I made for our new set that I've heard has sold out as of this filming. but I hope we will get more. We'll do projects with that. I just got a watercolor paper sampler from work, and we'll be experimenting with different papers. As you can see, I do like to make the grids. Let's see what's over here. More clear rulers, large stencils for mono printing. This is the top of my flat file, which has been clearer at times, but this is kind of fun. I like a little bit of a mess. These are some of my favorite brushes right now. The Black Velvets from Silver Brush, and I've been really into these long rounds from Princeton. I like these with India ink and details. But yeah, I'll do supply lists of every project that we get to do together. I've had a lot of Dynaflow out on my work area lately. I use that as liquid watercolor because it's pigmented and super fun. They also make sets of that. Let's see, did we miss anything? Some collage scraps, some cards to make for our mail art projects. These are some of my current sketchbooks and watercolor blocks that I'm working through. These are the new Escher ones. Those are great. The zigzag book. We can definitely do some mixed media on those guys. This is kind of a lovely one. I'm gonna do a mail art project with my friend, and we're gonna send that back and forth to each other and collaborate. And you'll probably see some of those videos as well. And then over here is kind of my stash of sketchbooks. I would like to say a lot of these are filled. Let's just say part of these are filled. And that's what you get when you work in this industry for 20 years. Some fun art books that are keeping me wanting to create these days. Some days it's hard, sometimes it's easy. There's Noodles. That's our cute dog. Yeah, and yeah, this is the space. I can't wait to make stuff with you guys. I really look forward to seeing everybody in the store soon. And now that I found my coffee, I'm gonna finish that and have some lunch. I hope everyone has a great day.